DJMTV. Welcome to DJMTV News Update for the week. I am Umar Latifa. Please, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now, the news headlines. Abba Kyari Buhari Chief of Staff dies. The Ogun State government has relaxed its lockdown. World Health Organization warns coronavirus antibody may not prove immunity. I was not a registered voter, says Dino's witness. Fire raises INEC headquarters. Coronavirus kills medical doctor in Akwa Ibom State. I only take order from my people, says Wike. The Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, Abba Kyari, is dead. His age is unclear at this time. Mr. Kyari died of coronavirus. He received treatment at a private hospital in Lagos. His death was announced by presidential spokesman Femi Adesina in a tweet early Saturday. Chief of Staff to President Malam Abba Kyari passed on. May God rest his soul. Amen. The Ogun State government has relaxed the total lockdown imposed on the state by President Muhammadu Buhari. Governor Dapo Abiodun made this known while addressing the press in his Iperu Remo residence. Recall that President Muhammadu Buhari had on March 30th announced the lockdown of Lagos, Ogun, and the Federal Capital Territory for 2 weeks to curb the coronavirus pandemic. The World Health Organization warned that coronavirus antibody tests are basically useless when it comes to proving immunity. This dampens the hope that the test can show when and if it's safe for someone to leave quarantine. The headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission has been razed by fire. This was disclosed by the electoral body spokesman Oluwale Uzi. The fire started just before noon and gutted some parts of the building, electoral document computers, and other electoral hardware. This further stated that the fire is being investigated and no casualty was recorded. A medical doctor has died in Akwa Ibom State after showing symptoms of coronavirus. The medical doctor, whose name is Dominic Essen, is a physiotherapist, owner of a private clinic in Uyo, and a lecturer in the Department of Physiology, University of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State had said he would not receive orders from the federal government. Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State has said he would not receive order from the federal government regarding accepting oil companies' workers from flying into his state. Wike, lamenting about flights still entering river, said the state government is ready to fight to protect his people rather than endings. Bobrisky says that he is missing Nollywood actress and mother of one, Tonto Dike, so much that he may not be able to stay any longer without seeing her. Bobrisky is in his house in Lekki, Lagos, while Tonto Dike is in Abuja. The pair have not seen each other for about 2 weeks because of the coronavirus. Popular Nigeria reality TV star Tasha has confirmed her fans, also known as Titans, have begun crediting her bank account with money. This comes after a web user, Prosper, announced that he and a small group agreed to start sending 2,000 naira to Tasha's account. That's the news update for the week. And if you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video at DJMTV. I am Umar Latifa. DJMTV.